Everyone, myself Shanaz and I welcome you all to my wonderful world of education system, that is MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. Here, as you all can see, this video is regarding a very important topic from mathematics for 5th standard, that is Bodmas Rule. Simplification using Bodmas Rule. As we all know that maths is all about logic and some standard rules to be followed. Maths is all about logic and some standard rules to be followed, and Bodmas rule is one of the standard rules that makes our calculation easier. Let's see how it is. Okay, before moving ahead, let me introduce to some of my students. Here is two students, Harika and Sabur, who are going to 5th standard, and this class is specially for them. Okay, and here two more students, Harsh and Rakshita, who are going to 6th standard now, but they jumped the class, so that's why even they need to learn about the Bodmas rule. 5th they skipped. Okay, so please concentrate and listen carefully what is explained. Okay kids?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, fine. So let's see now what is Bodmas rule. But before moving ahead, let me explain you know what is an expression and what is an equation, right? So here there are two components of an equation or an expression. Okay, there are two components of an expression. Okay, see, this is an expression. 3 plus 5, that you can see, this is what? An expression. 6 into 3, what you can say, this is an expression. So this expression has two components. What? Two components. One is numbers and the other one is operators or operations. Okay, fine. So numbers means you know what are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole number, natural number, even number, odd number, whatever. Okay, it can be any number which represents the mathematical value. Fine. Whereas the other component is operators or operations. Okay. Sabur, tell me what are the 4 basic arithmetic operations?
Plus, minus, into, divided.
Division. Yes, very good. The 4 basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yeah, these are the 4 basic arithmetic operations and these are the symbols of it. Okay, so these are the 4 operators. These are the 4 operators. Now see here, I'll explain you in example. This 3 is a number, kids.
Yes, teacher.
5 is one number.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. There is a character in the center that is joining these two numbers and making an expression and creating a unique answer expression. That is called what? Operators. So operator is a character, plus or minus or into or division. Okay, it is a character which is joining two numbers or combining two numbers to create an expression. Did you understand? Now see here, 6 into 3. 6 is a number, 3 is a number, and this into sign, this is joining them to create an expression. Understood, kids? Okay, fine. So now one more important thing that you have to know is, see now, 3 plus 5, only one arithmetic operation is involved. 3 plus 5 is what? Addition. Very easy to do. 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. Now 4 minus 3. Very easy to do. Subtraction. How much? 1. 6 into 3. Very easy. How much?
18.
36 divided by 6. Very easy. Understood? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So it's very easy? Yes?
teacher.
Fine. Then, because why it is easy? Because only one arithmetic operation is involved. Why it is easy? Because only one arithmetic operation is involved. Okay, only one arithmetic operation is involved. That's why calculation is easy. But just think, if all 4 arithmetic operations are there in one expression, then calculation is quite tricky, right?
Yes.
Quite difficult, not so easy. Understood?
Yes.
So that time we have one magical rule called Bodmas rule. Understood, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Did you understand what I tried to say you?
Yes,
when
teacher.
only one equation, one arithmetic operation is involved, only plus or only minus, only multiplication or only division, very easy to do. But if all 4 are there in one expression like this, then how to do? Sir ko jana padega. How to do? Which one to do first? Which one to do last? How to get the answer? Confusing, right? At that time we have one magical rule which makes our calculation easy, that is called Bodmas rule. Okay, so solving one arithmetic operation is easy, but when it is complex, when it involves all, it is quite trickier. Okay, but this trick we can solve by using Bodmas rule. Okay, so as I have done this class about 3 times before, yes, almost 3 times I have done this Bodmas rule before also in the tuition. So let's see how much the old students remember. Hello kids.
Hello, teacher.
You all remember Bodmas?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so tell me, what does Bodmas stands for? Who will tell? Okay, Habiba, tell.
B for bracket, O for order of power, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction.
Very good. Okay, you remember the acronym Bodmas. And when we use this?
Complex questions.
Yes, to solve complex
questions.
questions. Oh, thank God, you remember this. You can solve it also, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, we have done 3 times this class. Okay, fine, good. So you have listened 5th class and 6th class. So we are using Bodmas rule. When we are using this Bodmas rule to solve complex questions which involves all 4 arithmetic operations: division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. When it involves all 4 arithmetic operations, that time we use Bodmas rule to simplify that equation. Understood, kids? Now Bodmas. Bodmas is an acronym. What do you mean by acronym? What do you mean by acronym? Acronym means a word which is made using the first letter of all the words. Okay, using the first letter when you form a word, okay, initiate, that is called acronym. Okay, so Bodmas is an acronym, okay, which stands for B for brackets. B for brackets. It can be any bracket, okay, it can be round bracket or box bracket or curly bracket, okay, flower bracket also they say, fine. And O for order of roots, order of powers or order of roots, that means multiplication, okay. Then D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Did you understand, kids? So Bodmas altogether stands for what? B for brackets. Repeat after me, please. B for brackets.
B for brackets.
O for order of power or roots.
O for order of powers of roots.
D for division.
D for division.
M for multiplication.
M for multiplication.
A for addition.
A for addition.
And S for subtraction.
And S for subtraction.
Okay, so this is the sequence that we have to follow, okay, when you are solving complex questions, and you have to do it from left to right. From left to right. Understood, kids? In this order you have to solve the equation when it is involving all 4 arithmetic operations. Okay, then that will make your calculation easy. Okay, kids? Now see here, one example I have given. 36 divided by 6 multiplied by 3, then plus 2 square minus 3 plus 5. Sabur has opened the mouth. What is this question? How to do this? Yes? Feeling it complicated, right? Now this complicated ones we can make it easy by following Bodmas rule. So in this, when such a big expression involving all 4 arithmetic operations, you can make it easier. How you do is, first what is the rule? First what is there? B for bracket. That means first what you have to solve? Bracket. First you have to solve what is in the bracket. Okay, first step is what you have to solve, what is in the bracket. So what is in the bracket? Remaining you will write as it is. 36 as it is, 6 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 square as it is. Yes, now what is there in the bracket? 3 plus 5. How much it is? 8. After solving it, you will open the bracket. You will remove the bracket. So first you solve the bracket. Yes, B finished. Yeah. Next is what? O for order of roots. So this is the one. Yes, this is exponents, right? Yeah, 2 square. So 2 square is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is how much? 4. Okay, so remaining you will write as it is. 36 as it is, 6 as it is, 3 as it is. Now 2 square is how much? 4. And this 8 as it is. You will not change any sign. Okay, fine, you have to just. Then next, third one, what you have to do? Division. Third step is division. So where is division involved here? Here. 36 divided by 6. How much? 6 6 is 36, right? So 6 is the quotient. 6. Fine. Then remaining as it is you will write. 3 as it is, 4 as it is, 8 as it is. Now fourth step. Fourth what you have to do? Multiplication. 6 into 3. 6 into 3 how much? 18. Yes, you solve this. Then next 4 as it is, 8 as it is. Next fifth step, addition. 18 plus 4. This is the step. 18 plus 4 how much? 22. Then 8 as it is. Then last one, subtraction. So 22 minus 8 is how much? 14. So what is your answer? 14. You got it how it is now? Understood, Sabur, Harika? Yes. Harsh, Akshita? Yes. So no, when you practice, you will get it. See, when you listen, you tend to forget, but you practice, you will remember it. Understood, kids? So this is Bodmas rule. You're doing it from the left to the right. Okay? First you are solving the brackets, then you're doing the exponents. Yeah, you're solving the exponents, then you're doing division, then multiplication, then addition, and then at last subtraction. If you don't follow this rule, what happens is you will not get the proper answer. It becomes very complicated and you will not come to a right answer. Understood? So that's why you have to follow this Bodmas rule to make your calculations easier. Okay? This is the sequence you have to remember. Did you understood?
Yes, teacher.
Did you all understand? Yes. Any doubts in Bodmas rule? So I'll be giving you some sums now. I mean some equations. You solve it using Bodmas rule. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Clear? Okay, fine. So all those who are watching, if you have understood the simplification using Bodmas rule with this example, then please
Like, share,